I was thinking about climbing that. There's a part over there. You really can't see. Oh, I can zoom in on it. Duh. But I was thinking about climbing that and then doing a video of me on top of that. You see right where that truck is? It's like at the 1 o'clock. That you could easily climb. And I thought it would be kind of cool if I got right up there, did a panoramic, or did a 360 video all the way around with my truck parked over there somewhere. I thought it would have been kind of cool. I might do that next time around. It's kind of cold today. But real pretty out there, guys. But I went and kind of explored some of that. If you watch the time-lapse video, you'll see that. And then you'll also see I kind of got bored and I stacked those rocks. And they're all balanced on that one right there. So, a few layers, it was fun. Just kind of did it for the hell of it. But yeah, that'll be on the time lapse. And I'll probably upload this video after I upload that one. It just kind of depends. So, still got 16 minutes of my 30-minute break. But it's pretty out there, guys. Oh, and that's our, excuse me, that camera's actually rolling right now. So, you can go back and see me videotaping all of this. So, that'd be kind of funny. Oh, what's that white thing out there? I need some binoculars. Oh, it's just rubbish. Why do people leave trash out like that? That's just stupid. For real. Anyway. Yeah, really nothing to say. I'm kind of enjoying the ride out here to Nevada. Going to the Walmart DC, got a truckload of soda, so sugar water. Yeah, no real complaints. I'm having a good day. Well, I guess I'll see you on the next one. So please like, rate, comment, subscribe. And share my videos. You know, I really would like to try to build, some more subscribers. And if you've been watching and you haven't subscribed, hey, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button, hit that alarm button, so when I do a new upload, you guys know about it. And yeah, got any questions? Throw them down. You know what to do. See ya.